Now that we know all about the history of Kotlin and its inception, let's move ahead and learn more about it. By the end of this topic, we will learn how to write code in Kotlin. So, let's begin by looking at some technical terms that are used while defining Kotlin. Target to JVM, Kotlin is a cross-platform, statically typed, general-purpose programming language with type inference. Kotlin is designed to interoperate fully with Java, but type inference allows its syntax to be more concise. Kotlin is sponsored by JetBrains and Google through the Kotlin Foundation. This looks like a complicated sentence, and most of you must not have understood all the terms used. So let's dissect this sentence and look at some important terms that are used here. These are the terms that we will be looking at. So first, let's see what is JVM. A Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is a virtual machine that enables a computer to run Java programs as well as programs written in other languages, Kotlin as of here, that are also compiled to Java bytecode. So, we know that computers understand a language differently than humans, right? Therefore, all the code written in any language needs to be converted to computer-friendly code. And this is done by a compiler. A Java compiler converts code written in Java, Kotlin, and other similar languages into Java bytecode. We will see more about Java compiler in a while. Now, JVM is the machine that takes this Java bytecode given by the Java compiler and executes this code. So, it is like a virtual machine that resides inside our actual machines, computers, laptops, etc., and helps us execute our Kotlin code. This flowchart here shows the process that we just described. Now let's look at the next term, that is cross-platform. So, Kotlin has been described as a cross-platform programming language. So the code written in Kotlin for Windows can be executed on Mac OS and Linux too, and vice versa. Now, the next term is that Kotlin is a statically typed language. Statically typed programming languages do type checking. That is, they verify and enforce the constraints of types at compile time. This means that the language is able to tell the data type of any variable during the compile time and does not allow a variable to have values of different data types in a single program. We will understand it in detail when we learn about variables in the next topic, so don't worry if this does not make much sense to you right now. Now, the next term is type inference. This means that Kotlin can automatically detect the data type. We will learn more about data types in the upcoming topics, and then this term will be clear to you. For now, all you need to remember is that Kotlin is a statically typed programming language and has type inference. So that was all about the key features of Kotlin. Click Next to proceed.